Good morning, it is day 33 and it is raining outside, but that doesn't bother me too much because my agenda was putty paint, stain and sand. So I guess they're all inside jobs. That's where we're up to back there. It's all starting really to come together now. I might go and get some, good day for shopping, so I might go and get some shelving and bits and pieces too, have a rummage around if the weather continues to be shite, which it looks like it will, but at least it's not cold, so that's the offset. Yeah, kicking on, that's my jobs today. I think Tom is going to continue to work on the overheads, we've got to go on both sides, and then kickboard storage units that are going down there. And sort of the interior's coming to a wrap. Gas fitter in 5 days, we're on the countdown for 5 days, or we also might make I call this an alley couch. Now, Ali is an independent young lady who lives on her own, but she I hope comes to visit us sometime. So it is a couch, but it is a bed for when Ali comes to visit. So it's, you know, we're empty nesters, but you still got to prepare for the one and only to come home and spend some time with us every now and again, at least, I suppose. The sun's just come through on the rainy morning, and look at it streaming in those big back doors. Still got the builder's protective film on it, of course, but cannot wait to puddle up there on a winter's morning with a book and a coffee in that puddle of sun. That'll be just about perfect, I reckon. A very rainy old day outside, but that suits me because I am painting. Just starting to do all the doors and things. They'll have to have a second coat. Not much good for working on overheads or cutting wood or doing anything like that because it's absolutely flogging down. But I will fill in my day just toddling around here, painting all of this, and then maybe tonight I might get some stain on as well. But good weather for painting, I guess. I think these will come up nice with a coat of paint on them. Still a miserable old rainy day, but I've managed to get 2 coats of paint on everything that's black, including my cupboards right through, which I think have come up pretty good. Tom's working on the back deck / bike racks at the moment. We've got to fit the Derody and the Volk on here somewhere. So working on that. I think I'll just pull some tape off now and then see if I can paint this varnish with so much moisture in there. I have a feeling that I won't be able to, that it won't set with higher moisture levels, but we'll have a look and read the tin and see what that says. But I don't know what else we're going to do on a rainy day if I can't. Okie doke, end of the day, nothing too interesting to show you guys today. I've literally just been on the paintbrush of one description or another all day, but the shithouse wall looks really good. You can see behind me the doors. Now those big doors, still deciding whether we're going to paint or stain. It's been like the debate on and off all day. Leave your comment, tell me what you reckon we should do. Can't decide, but anyway. I have to decide soon. Tom has made some work on the back deck / bike rack. But yeah, really I've just been on a paintbrush all day, painting everything black, painting everything varnish, just paint. But that's what happens when it comes to the end. I do think the cabinets come up really nice. I think like you're really just starting to get a bit of a taste of what she's going to be like now. But that's it. My eyes are burning from not having enough ventilation while painting, so I think it's beer and dinner time.